more because there is so many things that we can get here, artsy and craftsy. Back in India, I didn't do any of that. I did was like just study, come back, eat, sleep. That's all I did. So I'm learning a lot of art stuff, and which I feel that helps my kids because my daughter wants to do all these things, but I don't know what to get. So I'm learning from them. It's a really fun thing, and best thing I like about this team is they're open to ideas. I can stand there and say, Sonia, that doesn't look good. So she will take it. It's not like, how can you tell me? That's my idea. No, that's what I like about it. It's a nice team, and they all work as a family, and it's not like they don't. It's another thing is they know I won't do a good job, but still they'll give it to me and say, we trust you, Ash. Go ahead and do it. So it's a nice team. So I would encourage all other families to come and enjoy it. I'm sure everyone has something or the other to do, but if you can come in for an hour or so, it's just for the fun of it. Even if we can't help it, just to have fun here and go, it'll be fine. Alright, last but not the least, thank you so much to Swamiji because he always wants us to come up with something new every time. So it's a pressure too. But he brings the best out of all of us. So that's the best thing. So thank you and very respect. Oh yeah, another thing. Bindu auntie was not able to be here today, so she was feeling so guilty. So Kalpana auntie and Bindu auntie came over here over the weekend and did lot of snacks, tons of snacks. So that was really nice of them. So it really feels like a family. Thank you to everyone. Alright, Hariom.